In the morning, a magnitude 6 earthquake struck off the coast of Guerrero. The earthquake was visible in Mexico City and other states such as Puebla. It was located 17 kilometers south of Tecpan, with a depth of 10 kilometers. In the center of the country it was noticeable, and seismic alerts were zoned. Mass evacuation began of the population from the buildings.
No, pues quién sabe. No, pues hay que esperarnos. Johnny.
In the port of Acapulco, tourists and residents indicated that the earthquake felt strong. So far, no major incident has been recorded, according to information from the Civil Protection.